Okay. So according to means according to topic, I am choosing the offline business. That will be good for me because there are multiple regions. Like as there is one business uh, I want to explore about it, like as a cricket bat or tennis ball, which is required in our area, because there is a multiple fields there, and the children play in the evening and in the morning also, and multiple of people are playing with the cricket ball at Sunday or Saturday. Most of the people are playing on Sunday only. Okay, but what they are doing, they are not buying any online balls and bat. That's why I opened the the shop. For the shop, they purchase the ball in the morning, early morning on the Sunday, and if they want to buy their bat, they can come in any time, and they can purchase from me. So that is the source of earning. And yeah, definitely online shopping will give us a more beneficial, because it will, in this case, there are two risks. Like if we are giving that bag to that particular person, and if he return back, then the cost will be high for me in this case. So that's why I'm preferring for the offline shopping, offline business, so that the people will came my shop, and they can purchase it, and they are also promoting to multiple of people, because I am giving at that time that 10% off. But online shopping, I'm not giving the 10% off. That's why they are very happy. So that's why I'm prepping for the offline business, because that is the only source I can do. But in future, maybe change. uh,
Oh,
yeah,
yeah.
that's okay.
Okay. So,
Attention here,
like,
attention
I
here,
agree.
attention here. I'm not able to see even a single sign of energy in both the persons. Why? What is the reason? Where is the problem being created?
Sir,
There, just
now,
try to be enthusiastic and speak energetically. Then result will come out. Okay? Speak once
okay,
again.
sir.
Okay, carry on.
Sir, so, Prabhu sir, speak again. Then I will speak. Okay.
Okay. Okay, so I am preferring for the offline business. There are means there are many reasons, but for in this debate, I will choose only one particular reason why I am choosing the offline business. First of all, there are means in our area there are multiple fields where the children are playing evening and morning, and most of the children or most of the cricketer are playing in the on Sunday vacation. Okay, so in this case, they buy balls and bat from me, leather ball, tennis ball, whatever. Okay, there are two types of ball, and different kind of categories balls. They try to buy from me, because there is only one shop. So in the early morning of the Sunday, they came at my door. So on this day, what is happening in the early morning, like as a 5 o'clock they came, and in this case I gave around 20 balls, which is very good margin for the Sunday only, because only one day they are coming to play the cricket in that cricket ground. Okay, so that's why I'm preferring for the offline business, because no need to any internet connectivity. You no need to display what kind of your balls. They are just coming, they are checking from the box, and they are purchasing and giving the money to me, according to the amount which they are purchasing. So around 1 year the shop is running very good, and we are running very well. And in this case, I opened one more stall, like as a cricket bat. Okay, In this case, I do not need to do not need to survey or means advertisement related to bat, because there in this background I am preparing that bat. So the most of the cricketer are very enthusiastic to buy the cricket bat, because they are very loving it. So I do not want to prefer for the online, because if I send the bat and the cricketer will if the cricketer pay the money, okay, in this case if he return back, then again I need to pay, and I need to spend extra money for the courier charges also. So that's why I am preferring for the offline business, so because it is suitable for me. So this is the one point I need to discuss. After that I after that I will discuss with you.
Okay, so I agree with your point, but I'm also differ with your point. But you know, like why am I differ with your point? But like one point, one reason I want to tell you.
Okay.
Like suppose you want to sell the bat, you want to sell the bat or ball. So there are two things you will sell to the children or to the people. Yes, there are two things you will sell. So yeah, you will earn maybe you can say one day 1,000, 2,000 or 10,000. Yes, one suppose let it be like 10,000 you are earning per day. Yes, but but if you have to earn 50,000 per day, so what will you do? What would you do in this case? No, you can't do in this. You can't do anything in this case. But one thing you can do, like you can sell other country. Means other country people, if you sell, so they will buy your things. Means they will buy your more things. Like they will buy your bat, ball. Means they will buy everything from you. Why? Because they are from other countries. So it's the benefit of selling other country. And if you have to sell other countries, so we can't go there. Like suppose we have if you have to sell to if you have to sell America, like if you have to sell to America, or you can say Japan, China or England. Yes, if you have to sell, so how will we sell? Like we can sell by online, because we don't have any kind of option. Just we have a option through online, because through offline, like you will go by aeroplane and just you will sell. It's a very long process, and you know, like you will have to just pay money, and then you will have to go. Means it's a very long process. But if you have to do shortly, so just you can do online that work, and you can do that work very fast. And I want to tell you one more job, that's a teaching 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 is very, you can say, like if we teach, so we can connect with people also. And if we want to connect with people, so we can connect with people through online. Because in through online, like we connect with people, like I am connecting with you. Why? Because I'm teaching from Riyasa, you can say online. Through online I'm teaching from Riyasa, so I'm connecting with you. Otherwise I can't connect with you. You can't connect with me, or anybody can't connect with me. Suppose like I have to connect with China, I have to connect with Japan, you can say children. So how will I connect? Like I can connect through mobile. I can. So it's a online type of teaching. Means if I have to teach to Japan children, suppose if I have to teach English, so I can teach English to online. You can say if I have to you can say if I have to teach Japanese, so I can also teach Japanese through online. So it's the benefit of online. Like through online we can do anything. If you have to connect with people, if you have to sell online, if you have to sell anything, if you have to sell bat, ball, mobile, books, anything, if you have to sell, so we can sell by online. It's the very, you can say, it's a very simple and easiest way to sell anything.
Yeah, I agree. One point means the online business is a very simple, looks like, but it is not very simple. Actually, we need to do multiple things to sell our product online. We need to do advertisement. We need to spend more time on advertisement, because advertisement will take time, and also we need to prepare for it. We need to prepare how the advertisement and what type of advertisement will be good for every person, because it will take time, and we have to pay the cost to making that advertisement. like. And also, if you want to advertise on the, and you want to take a Google services, then it will be a cost. Okay, I hope you are aware how the Google services are taking the money from the through the advertisement. So that will take your money. Okay, second thing is, you need to spend time for your advertisement. But for the offline business, you no need to do any advertisement, you no need to spend any more money, because you know the uh, area of, means you know the weather of your area, you know the conditions of your ground. So that's why at there you are very well knowing about the condition. And in uh, after that you are choosing the willow, means what type of wood you are choosing for there, so that the every customer will be happy and will not return back with their bats, means there are some crack, the bat is not good, this type of means argument, or this type of return back policy, you will not accept. So that's the condition I have put. And second thing is related to shipping cost. If you are doing your online businesses, yeah, I agree the online businesses give you a lot of money. But there are different means, the depend on the situations, what type of online businesses will be good and what type of online businesses will not be good. Like as a, if you are selling multiple items, like as a balls or some other item, but in this case you will pay more than the actual price. If you are not aware, so I'm telling you, if you are paying a single ball rupee from your neighbor or from in your area, the it's around it's around uh, 30% will the charge more through the online payment. That's why means online businesses will grow to the seller, not the consumer. So consumer will pay more. That's why I'm not preferring for the online businesses.
Okay, I understood your point and I heard your point clearly, but I'm differ with your point. Just you're talking about advertisement, like you are talking about this type of things, like you can say on if we do offline business, so it's definitely good for us for advertisement. You said about like this, but you know, like. Suppose like I want to give you one more example. Yes, I will give you about you can say yes. Suppose like if you have to meet your friend, suppose your friend live in Delhi or you can say America. So yes, like suppose you want to talk to your friend. So how will you talk? Like you will go every time to America. Yes, like you can say one time you will go to America and you will meet him and you will talk to him. So but second time if you have to talk, so what will you do in this case? You can't do means you will go to America and you will talk and you will meet. No, every time you can't go because you don't have enough money. You don't have a lot of money, and in that case, so if you don't have a lot of money, so like now in that case you will have to do that thing online. So it's the benefit of online thing means I wanted to give you one example to do online means online means it's also type of online. Yes, I did not give example of online like you can say we will talk to him, we will meet him. It's not type of online business, but I want to give you one example. I want to give you the one solution for that thing, like if you want to meet to the other people, if you want to sell anything, if you want to teach anything, if you want to you can say buy anything, means if you want to do any kind of business, or so we will have to do online, because in through online we can sell more things than offline, because in offline just we have a limited things, like suppose we have to do teaching, and if we are like if we are doing offline, so every student will not come. Our village people will definitely come, but everybody will not come. A person, like you can say a person who is living in Delhi, who is living in you can say another country. So how will he come? He can't come because he is living in America daily. But if he is from our village, so he can definitely come. So he can definitely yes, he can definitely come. So now, like, what will you do in this case? Like, you will not teach to him. Yes, you will teach him, but how will you teach him? You will teach through online, because in this case you will have to teach him online, not a offline. So that's why I'm saying, like, online business is better than offline business.
Yeah, means partially I am agree with your point because online business give you a free hand. Like why I'm saying the free hand, because it open the door. You can earn much more money because on the online businesses, you can sell your product in different countries. But in this case, you have required many more manpower or the areas also required, because if you got the multiple order and you need to send the means you need to deliver that order on a particular time period, so in this case you need to prepare lot of things at the single day. Okay, so like as a cricket bat related things, if the bat are in the stock, then you can prepare, then you can send that item or that product to the consumer. So that will be very good. Yeah, no issue in that. But the second point you told me is like as a online teaching. Yeah, that is good. That is very good. Means in this case, what is happening? Lot of people can connect, but the case is you have to connect with the internet. You need to spend some money on the internet, and in this case, you are saving your time. You are connected with different people. But in this case, what is happening after your class or after your lecture, you are not able to connect with your instructor. If you have any doubt, you need to connect with your instructor after a day, right? Yeah, I agree. One point. Why? Because in this case you are saving your time. Means if your class is 10 o'clock sharp, 10 o'clock, you can connect through a mobile. You no need to go outside before your class start. Means like as a 30 minutes before or 40 minutes before, you will not reach to you will not go outside, and you are saving your 30 or 45 minutes. In this case you can do your household work. Yeah, I agree. It is time saving. But second point I need to say that in the offline businesses, yeah, offline classes, you are making your multiple friends. In this case, you are talking with the multiple friends at the same time, and you are removing your hesitation, because at the end you need to talk with the multiple people. But in the camera or in the mobile or in the means in front of the
Attention
laptop,
here,
you are
attention
you
here, attention here, dear. Now the time is over, and do you have to study right now or not? Tell me if you have to study.
Yeah, yes, sir, we have to study, sir.
Okay, now we are gonna start. Okay.